Wow, I cannot believe how far we've come with generative AI and AI agents in the past year. This is genuinely amazing, and honestly, it's only going to get better. I've been waiting for the day that we can meaningfully automate Power BI and other Microsoft tools, and that day is finally near. Let's take a look at how Power BI MCP running inside Cursor via Cline can help you create an automated risk controls dashboard and do it in a way that actually improves data governance. Quick note before we start, the dataset that you'll see in the video is a triathlon training model and my own training data that I've uploaded. But the workflow applies one-to-one with risk control data. The domain changes, but the modeling logic does not. Power BI MCP, or Model Context Protocol, allows AI to directly interact, inspect, and modify Power BI semantic models. Cline inside Cursor acts as the control plane, where we prompt, review, and refine the changes that are outputted. Instead of starting with visuals, we start where most risk dashboards quietly fail, the data model. Here, MCP is reviewing the underlying schema and identifying how entities relate to each other. In a risk controls context, this is equivalent to mapping risks, controls, assessments, and business units, and making those relationships explicit rather than assumed. Next, MCP starts generating calculated fields at the model level. What looks like performance or training metrics here would translate directly to control effectiveness scores, residual risk indicators, or coverage flags in a risk dashboard. The key here is that these metrics are defined once and used everywhere. And this is really where governance comes into play. The AI agent through the MCP creates a centralized definition table that stores metric logic and business meaning in one place. Because these definitions are versioned and reusable, audit trails become trivial, and regulatory reviews focus on validating logic rather than hunting through report files. Running this through an AI agent like Cline via Cursor makes data governance much more centralized and convenient, more in sense like software development than traditional BI. Model changes are explicit, reviewable, and iterative, rather than being buried inside visuals or undocumented DAX. When you apply this workflow to risk and controls data, you get dashboards that are faster to build, easier to audit, and much more consistent across teams. And all this happens before a single visual is created. Now, I know I was excited about automating Power BI, but let's get one thing straight. This isn't about fully automating dashboards. It's about automating the boring, fragile, and governance-heavy parts of risk reporting, so teams can focus on interpretation and decision-making. If you're building risk compliance or control dashboards at scale, this is absolutely worth experimenting with now. Give it a try yourself, let me know how you turn out. Power BI MCP is one step closer to fully automating risk control dashboards at scale.